morning to you. It's me, Susan Thompson at Spirited Hand Studio. I'd like to share with you a very easy way to determine your shrink rate. So let's get started. First, on a piece of plastic, draw your 10-inch by 10-inch square. Lay out your wool on that square and wet felt it, and make yourself a lovely wet felted square. Here's mine all done. Now let's measure the finished size. We know we started 10 by 10. We ended up at 6 by 6. With just those few numbers, we can determine the shrink rate. So we'll do a little fun math. Now don't get up and run away, just hang tough. It's going to be easy. I take my beginning measurements of 10 times 10 equals 100 square inches. Then I put down my finished measurements of 6 inches times 6 inches equals 36 square inches. And then watch the magic happen. Voila! I have my shrink rate. I subtracted my finished measurement from my beginning measurement, and it told me the shrink rate. Amazing, huh? Try this out and see if it makes it easier for you. I'll see you again soon. It's me, Susan, wishing you happy felting. Bye now.